DCMs, or Dynamic Combat Missions, are these dynamic missions that come up based on battlefield conditions during the course of a normal multiplayer game.
One good example is the VIP DCM. A VIP basically lands on the battlefield at a location, and that location ends up being broadcast to both teams. And one team is tasked with escorting the VIP to basically a safe location, and the other team is tasked with assassinating it.
If your team is having trouble taking over one of the enemy's bases, a commando mission might start up. The team that's initiating the commando mission basically gets this AI-controlled commando that'll spawn in onto the map. He'll burn in just like any other player, and he's kind of a guy beefed up on steroids. Lots of shields, lots of armor, a lot of firepower. The other team gets a counter mission, which is kill the commando, stop him from attacking our base.
They create sort of mobile hotspots or moving hotspots as well. So even areas of the map you may not normally go to, the DCMs kind of come in and shake that up and kind of force you to go out into all different portions of the map and have to take part in those.
In Section 8, we have the system of deployables that the player can requisition in virtually anywhere on the battlefield. So much like a player burn-in spawning, these things are being launched from your capital ship up in orbit. They'll slam into the ground, they'll unfurl, and then next thing you know, you have a mobile anti-air defense that you just call down, or a supply depot, or a sensor array, a rocket turret.
One of the also core deployables is actually a deployable AA turret. So when you're assaulting an enemy base, or if you're defending your base and your AA turret gets destroyed, you can call down another AA turret to either help on offense or defense. We actually have a couple of different vehicles, and when you purchase one in a very similar fashion how you get a deployable, a dropship actually flies into the map and deploys the vehicle.
Calling in a tank can really turn the tide of a battle. We made sure all the seats packed a very explosive punch, and there weren't any weak stations in it. And anytime a tank is called down onto the battlefield, it should be a point of contention, like, you know, there's a tank, everybody's got to gang up on it and take it out. We wanted it to feel fun for the guy that called it, but we also wanted it to feel equally as fun taking it out.